in Kenya, across the world, across the globe.
But one final question.
Yes, sir.
When you admittedly say that, and the Kenyan people are listening to you, isn't it then an irony that that is not the position that your campaign team held in the months leading up to the elections in August? In fact, the president who was then the presidential candidate of the UDA said that the current government then should not blame the economic crisis in Kenya on the Russia-Ukraine war. Yet his budget committee chairperson and a UDA MP sits here today, says that Russia and Ukraine war has had impact on the Kenyan economy. Why the double standards? I mean, this is mixed communication.
What I have stated is a statement of fact. What you should distinguish is between what were they doing then and what are we doing now.
No, and
what they were doing then.
What is also a statement of fact, Ndindi Nyoro, is that your campaign team said that it never had impact on us. Address the problem. That was the clarion call to the government of then. And that is a statement of fact as well.
Let me also just buttress that point again. The fact of the matter is that Russia and Ukraine were the #1 exporters to other countries of wheat. And also the top #1 in terms of edible oils.
But you deny the effect.
That is a fact. Let me just explain.
Did you deny or did you not? That
the difference between what we are doing and what they did is a distinguishing factor. What they did then was to try and subsidize the consumption. What we are doing now, and you'll see in a very few days after the bumper harvest, is that we are incentivizing production. And that now have a spiral effect in terms of multiplier. And the difference between subsidizing consumption and the difference of subsidizing production is that when you subsidize the consumption aid, there is nothing you are doing in terms of multiplier. But when you incentivize production, a shilling becomes several more. And that is what we are doing. And we are tackling the cost of living on that basis, not frivolous statements.
Asante, na bila shaka wakati ule wa kampeni tulikuwa na